Hello everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curlsbythedozen. Welcome to my channel. If you'd like to know how I achieved this braid out using the Mielle Organics Moisture RX line, keep watching. This is my hair washed and conditioned prior to styling with no product. The first product I used to style my hair was the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I applied the product in large sections. I followed up the leave-in conditioner with the moisturizing hair butter, and all I have to say is thick. At this point, my hair was extremely soft. The next product I used was the moisturizing styling gel, which I applied on smaller sections of hair prior to braiding. I braided my hair down to about 60% of the way, then I proceeded to finger coil the ends of my hair. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial of me doing a braid out, I will link another video down below. For added flare, I added 2 cornrows to the front of my hair. Here I am showing you all how moisturized and hydrated my hair is with no manipulation at all. I ended up with 10 braids in the back and the 2 cornrows in the front for a total of 12 braids. As you can see, the hair looks super shiny and defined, and the finger coils just take it to the next level. Okay, so let's get into my thoughts about the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger line. I washed and conditioned my hair with the moisture and anti-breakage shampoo and conditioner. I would say I really like this shampoo. It was hydrating. My hair didn't feel stripped of moisture, but I absolutely love the conditioner. It literally melted away all of my tangles and my hair felt extremely soft. So this is probably my favorite product from the entire line. And as you can see, I'm missing product because I've been using these for a while now. Love, love, love. The next product I used was the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This was actually the first time that I used this product, although I've had it for a while now, and I would say I really like it. This product is supposed to hydrate the hair and eliminate frizz. I would say it made my hair extremely soft because, as you saw, I did my hair, but I did not apply more water to it because I wanted my hair to dry faster. The next product I used was the moisturizing hair butter, and it was extremely, extremely moisturizing. After I was done using the product, my hands were silky smooth. So my skin loved it, and of course my hair loved it as well. This butter is super thick, as you can see. If you love thick products, you will definitely like this product. It smells really nice. I wouldn't say it smells like ginger per se, but I do like the scent of it. The next product I used was a moisturizing styling gel. I really like this product. It's extremely thick, but then if you put your hand in it and you take it out, it's super soft, very moisturizing. As I stated earlier, my hands were super silky after using these products. I love this gel for braidouts, especially because it gives the right amount of hold, also leaving the hair super soft and super hydrated. I forgot to mention this is actually day 3 now. So my hair still looks good after several days, and the definition is there and the softness is there as well. I did not apply any extra product to my hair since I styled it. I would definitely recommend this line, especially to my type 3 curlies out there, but I would definitely recommend the moisturizing hair butter for my type 4 curly girls because this thing is bomb. I feel like you can also use this alone for twist outs, braid outs, and things of that nature, and also just to moisturize your hair because it's extremely thick. I think the moisturizing hair butter and the moisturizing styling gel are a great combo together, especially for braid outs and twist outs. My hair is still super defined 3 days later, and my hair still feels very soft. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and comment and tell me what you think. Please also share this video if you'd like with your family and friends. Please stay tuned for the next video, as well as follow me on Instagram at Curlsbythedozen. See you next time.